Okay, welcome to this short video on how to insert search forms and Hcard data using simple WordPress shortcode in the WP-Localbiz theme. Okay, so I'm here for this demonstration on the sitemap page, and underneath the page title we've just got the actual sitemap. What I'd like to do is at the top here, before the actual sitemap, is insert a search form. So how we do that is we go to the edit page for sitemap. I'm in HTML format so that I can see the site point code for the WP or the PS Auto Sitemaps plugin, which creates that sitemap automatically, provided you have that placed on the relevant page. Okay, so I want the search form to appear above. So I just move my cursor above there, opening square bracket, SEARCHFORM, closing square bracket, and that is it. No uppercase, just one word, SEARCHFORM, and we will hit update. And if that's worked the way that it should work, which I'm sure it has, when we refresh the page you will see that the search form has appeared above the sitemap, and there it is, beautiful, all ready to go. Okay, so we can search anything on our site now with the sitemap. Similarly, I could have put it underneath if I wanted to, but what we'll do is we'll go back and we've got the search form on top. What about underneath if I put in an Hcard? Okay, so again we've got the opening square bracket and HCARD, closing square bracket, and that's it, Hcard, and we shall update the page. Okay, so when I go back to the sitemap, of course I haven't refreshed the page yet. We've just got the search form, the sitemap, and no Hcard data underneath. But as soon as I refresh the page now, you'll see that insertion of the shortcode has done the job we wanted it to do, which is put the Hcard data underneath. Okay, and we can do that on any page, any post. We can even do it in the sidebar. Let me give you a little bit of a further demonstration. If I go to, let's say, the About Us page. Okay, so let's just go and have a look at the About Us page. And on the About Us page, we've just got the About Us, interesting information about us, and then in the right hand side here we've got the right hand column or sidebar. So what we could do, let's say we'll just insert a search form in here in the middle of two paragraphs, just for the purpose of demonstration, to show how it's done. Okay, so we'll go to About Us, we'll edit the page or open the page editor, and okay, we'll go to visual mode this time, and in between here, okay, so I want to put my cursor in here. And again, we just have the opening square bracket, SEARCHFORM, closing square bracket. That's it, spelled correctly. It must be spelled correctly. And we shall update that page when we go back to the About Us page. Okay, it's not there yet because I haven't updated, but when I click refresh page, we will see the search form. There it is, beautiful, in between two paragraphs, exactly where we wanted it to go. Not that we want one to go there, I'm just doing that for a demonstration. And again, down the bottom here, that's in the footer, okay, but if I wanted to put that Hcard data in here, again, we just go back to the page editor, we go right down to the end of the page, okay, and underneath the last paragraph, we'll just put in opening square bracket again, HCARD, closing square bracket, that's it, and we hit update. And we go back to the About Us page, and at the moment there's no Hcard data underneath, but as soon as we refresh the page, there it is. Okay, so About Us, and it might be appropriate to put it on the About Us page. If you want it in there, you can have it in there, you see, so you can have it anywhere you like. And just to go a little bit further here, let's go to widgets, which is in Appearance, Widgets. And we've just got two widgets in the right hand column there at the moment, in the right hand sidebar, if I do this properly. Okay, here we've got latest articles and what our customers say, or the quote rotator. Okay, and you can see here recent posts, latest articles, and what our customers say. Now if I want to put in a search form, all I do is I take a text box, okay, so I'm going to put that underneath, okay, and I don't even need to put a title in. I'm just going to put in the shortcode for the search form. Whoop, could put a title in if I wanted to, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so we're going to save that and close and come back here, refresh and see if our search form, yep, there it is. Okay, so it's appeared. There's a space here because of course this is the area here for the quotes to and there's a minimum area that has been set out for that widget, but it appeared underneath. I could have had it in between, I could have had it up the top, whatever. And just to go a little bit further here, let's just okay, so we'll play around with that. Yeah, let's put it in the middle of those two, and while we're here, let's grab another one which we will put at the top, right at the top, and we'll make that the H card. Okay, so opening square bracket again, H card, closing square bracket, and we'll save that. That's all we need to do, and close that. Come back here now. What should happen is the search form moves up in between those two, and above latest articles we should have our H card. Okay, so yep, it's worked perfectly. We've got our H card data here. Okay, you can even download that if you want. It says V card, H card, same thing. We've got the first widget of latest articles. We shifted the search form in between the two, and then we've got the quotes underneath. And so you can see, folks, it is as simple as that to insert a search form, tongue twister, wherever you want it to go, either in a page or a post or article or a sidebar or whatever, just using that simple shortcode. So I hope you've enjoyed this brief tutorial, and thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye now.